In this video, we'll walk through how Chroma Spectra Viewer makes it easy to find the perfect filters for your fluorochrome. First, let's add a fluorochrome. Click Fluorochrome in the left panel, then search or scroll to select the fluorochrome you're using. I'll add Texas Red. Its excitation and emission spectra are instantly displayed. Now that the fluorochrome is loaded, let's quickly find a compatible filter set. Click the three-dot icon next to Texas Red in the legend and select View Compatible Filters. A window will open that displays filter sets compatible with Texas Red. From this window, you can select the filter set or filter sets to add to your plot. We'll add this set to our plot. Please note, this feature is only available for fluorochromes and that not all fluorochromes have a matching filter set available. For fluorochromes without a matching filter set, the View Compatible Filters option will not be displayed. Once you have your fluorochrome and filters loaded, don't forget you have multiple options for exporting and sharing your data. You can learn more about export and sharing options in some of our other Spectra Viewer tutorial videos. For this example, we are going to download a CSV of our data and create a share link to send to our colleagues. First, we will click the CSV button. This will download a zip file containing spectra for all of the elements in our plot. Additional file options are available as shown in the tool. Next, we'll try out another option for sharing data, the Share Plot feature. Simply click the Share Plot button in the top right, and the tool will create a unique link to share your Spectra Viewer setup with others. Using this link, we'll launch the Spectra Viewer tool with the components in your current plot already loaded. Let's clear our setup and test the link out. Notice how the link opened with all of our items already loaded. Test these new features in Chroma's Spectra Viewer to streamline the filter selection process. Try it for yourself today at chroma.com/spectra-viewer.